Hey there you guys, it is me, RandomJosh, and I'm back again with another Face Mask Friday. And today we have something super cute and super special. So recently we went to DragCon, as you probably saw, and I actually met up with one of the lovely vendors there, and that was BPerfect Cosmetics. And you know, we had such a great chat, and I just they enticed me into buying one of their amazing palettes, and that was the Carnival XL Pro palette. So a collection of eyeshadows, shimmers and glows, and this is a palette which was also created in conjunction with Stacey Marie, who I also got to meet while there, which was so fun. We've got some really interesting shades, as you can see on the back here, really bright, really colourful shades, high pigment, day and night, vibrant colours, shimmer and glow. It's insane, you know. 10 high pigment. Okay, so it actually tells you what there are. So there's 30 vibrant matte shades. It's also got 10 high pigment shimmers and 3 highlighter shimmers, which I believe are the big ones on the side. So without further ado, I actually just want to get this out here. Whew, right, are you ready? Oh, I'm gonna let that fall out. But there you have it. Look at all those shades. And it just looks like, in all its glory, this whole palette just looks professional. Oh, it just looks amazing. And I love the names like Slow Burn, Pillow Talk, Showboat, Why Though, Funky with an I, Shuffle, Lit, Fortune, yeah, Fortune, Keen, Boy Bye. That is one of my favorites, I think. Boy Bye, Boy Bye, Boy Bye. But literally, these are so stunning, and these highlights are gorgeous. I mean, obviously I'm really pale, so chances are I'm literally gonna just stick with that one. But I mean, you could probably even incorporate those into eyeshadow, more nude, everyday eyeshadows, you know? Just with a little bit of ooh. So I think for starters, we'll just do our close-ups. They're all just so pretty. Obviously there are a couple that are really popping out to me, but I think that's just literally how bright and neon they are. And Ecstasy, I feel that's one of the first ones that we're gonna have to try here. So luckily we actually have our arms exposed today. Oh, that feels really nice. So this is Ecstasy. Again. Okay, so it doesn't look as bright as it does in the palette. In the palette it looks a lot more of an intense pop, but obviously that is really buildable, so I actually like that. I think that's really nice to kind of maybe bring out on the eye. As we're looking into that kind of greenish tone, I think we'll go with this kind of colour called Nuke. Oh, that feels like it's going to be intense. Oh yeah. That is stunning. So it's It's got like a tinge of blue to it, but it is like a deep green colour. And that is really nice. I really like that colour. I think we have to go with like this neon pink colour here. It's needed. Oh yes. That's like perfect for like a Valentine's Day like pop of Barbie look, you know? If you're looking for like a really intense look for Valentine's Day, then girl, yes God. So I want to try one of these shimmery shades, and we know that I love blue, so I'm gonna go with this colour, which is Back Chat, which is like a slightly blue purple shimmer from the looks of it. Oh, that's stunning. And again, it's just like, okay, like on the arm, in the pan it looks more blue. On the arm, to me here, I get a lot more purple out of it. On camera, I feel like it looks more blue as well, but honestly, in person, it does look a lot more purple. But like that shimmer, it just catches the light like perfectly. I've done it in like a really awkward angle, so it's really hard to like showcase this. I'm gonna be like, her. But yeah, that is a really nice shimmer. I love it. What colour shall we do? Oh, we've got to do it. Boy Bye. It's this like red kind of colour. Oh yeah. Again, it's not like, it's definitely like intense, but it's not like too, also you can see how crazy my hands look already. Yeah, it's not like too intense, so that's actually really nice. And again, like you could just like smoke that out, girl. Great, all of them looks. Oh, here we go. We have got to try this colour. It's called Wasted, and it is like just pure purple. Oh yes. That is stunning. It reminds me of like indigo rosé purple. And for those of you who don't know what indigo rosé is, it is a gorgeous lash brand. And like their main colour is like this gorgeous purple shade. And I feel like this just like fits with that perfectly. Oh, stunning. And we also have these like really nice nude colours. So I want to just give them a bit of glory as well here. So this is the colour Basic. It's probably not going to be nude at all on me. Yeah. But that is really nice actually. Again, you could just like go for like a really calm like look with that. You could just like smoke that out, do it a lot less intense than it is obviously on my arm, and just create a really like nude, neutral look. Right, I think we're gonna do one more now of the eyeshadows, and then I am actually gonna test the highlighters as well, but wanted to do Fortune just because I want to see, because I know golds can be one of those things. See, like that is just like perfect gold. That is golden. It's like that mustardy yellow shimmer, which is just symbolic of a golden trophy, you know? Oh, that is so fit. I love that. That's really pretty actually. Ooh, all of these colours, like, I feel like this palette's now gonna just look like a mess because I've just gone. I was literally saying to the people on the stall that I just literally want to just kind of like smack my face into it and just bathe in all of the colours because they honestly are so gorgeous. Oh. Right, let's give this highlight shade a go. So this is the colour Fair Play. I'm going to do it just here because it's easier to see then. So that's really nice because it's just subtle. And it actually does have like gold flecks to it, which I'm not actually used to because obviously being someone who is of paler skin, I tend to have things that are like white flecks. But this golden flecked kind of like feel kind of gives a little bit more oomph. It's quite nice actually. So as we're here, we may as well just swatch the other one. So this is the colour Gold Luxe. So you can see that's a little bit darker there. And that is actually the middle shade. And then we have Over It, which is obviously a lot darker there. So again, they are obviously being really like super inclusive to, obviously there's only so much you can do, but you do want to have that inclusivity. So it is really like awesome to have those 3 shades there. Obviously I can only get away with like that shade myself. These 2 are way too dark for my skin tone. Just because I'm super pale, obviously. But that's just the way that I was born, so what can we do? But yeah, so that is the Carnival XL Pro Palette by BPerfect Cosmetics. So I hope that you guys enjoyed that. I will be leaving a link for this particular palette down below, and also there should hopefully, if Josh is good enough, be some links down there for BPerfect Cosmetics and also Stacey Marie, just because this is her little, you know, like her little baby. So I just want to give her a bit of credit where credit is due. So yeah. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed getting a little sneak peek into the Carnival XL Pro palette. Let me know down below if it's something that you like. What are your like initial thoughts of these shades? I'll remind you again. They are stunning. And which one stands out to you most? You don't have to name names, but just which one is your favourite so far? If I had to choose one, it's really hard to say, but I do really like Back Chat and Boy Bye and Wasted. I can't choose, I'm terrible. Ugh. Anywho, thank you so much again for watching. I hope that you enjoyed, and yeah, I will see each and every one of you guys in the next video. Peace out, bitches.